Let's go ahead and talk today about section 1.4. It's over writing equations and inequalities. There are a couple of vocabulary words in this section that we need to review first. When we look at that word open sentence, it's talking about a mathematical statement that contains two expressions and a symbol that compares them. I think that word compares is pretty important there. So when we talk about an open sentence, we could be talking about an equation where that symbol, that comparison, is saying that they are equal, that they are the same. That open sentence could in fact contain one of the inequality symbols, less than or equal to, greater than, or greater than or equal to. These statements indicate that we're unsure of the equality of the two statements. We do know something about how they relate. So when we think about that phrase, it's really saying that one could be bigger or one could be smaller. They might be equal, but we really just know about one comparison. We're not entirely sure. The second part of this section deals with the word solution. I love this word solution because we're going to see it a lot this year. The first place is right here with equations and inequalities. And one of the things that I will probably say more than once, and we should definitely put into our notes right away, is the fact that when we see that word solution, I'm going to ask you a lot of times, does the value work? So if they give me an x value and I plug it in, does it work? When I plug in that value in the equation, I should get the left equal to the right. When I plug it into an inequality, I plug that value in, I should get a true statement. This is bigger than that. This is smaller than that. These two things are equal. So does it work? Does the sentence when you read back, when you have, for example, let's put an equal sign here. In an equal example, do we have 5 equal to 5? That would work. Is that right? Whatever I plugged in, when I got to the bottom, I had a true statement. So yes, whatever I plugged in is a solution. In an inequality symbol, maybe they had given me something like, 3 is less than or equal to 7. Well, we can see obviously that 3 does not equal 7, but 3 is smaller than 7, so that whatever number I plugged in to make this happen, yes, that number is a solution. Let's see some of this in action.